So what's up guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this episode we're talking about headers, specifically my ISR headers. Basically, we're turning these into this. So what's happening is we are headed into summer and the current headers on the car must have not been cured properly. So thanks to ISR, we are swapping them. We're gonna get them Cerakoted here local and let's see the results. The bad ones are on here. So basically, as you can tell, when we first had got the headers, you could literally like I'm doing it. See that? The way that these plug wires sit into these spark plugs, it's very close to the headers. So with them kind of fading on the current coating, I think it's gonna be important to recoat them. So yeah, we have our spares that we're gonna go ahead and recoat, toss in the car. And then from there, just to kind of give you a heads up, we are going to end up Cerakoting the entire exhaust. So we have the two ISR headers coming out to our Y pipe that then feeds to a single exhaust that just dumps out. All of this stuff I've been running for about a year now. There's some cool scarring from the clutch kicker's track. And then this is a piece on my intake. I'm gonna go ahead and do a matte black just to kind of minimize something weird shining out of the hood. We have our classic front bash bar that's been around for years and years. It's seen enough abuse. It's time to powder coat this purple for fun to roll with the livery. So yeah, just some maintenance here, but I just wanted to bring some value to a video, shout out ISR, and kind of watch the car change together. So queue up 7 days from now. All right, yeah, so we were able to turn, obviously, the old headers into the new headers. This is a Cerakote. Just got these back right now. Adrian, Brandon, and myself bouncing in and out of screen printing. We're about to apply this to the car. We got the final shots. All right, cool. So thanks for watching this episode. Success. We've reinstalled all of the parts we had Cerakoted and powder coated. The engine bay is looking much nicer. Thank you, ISR. Thank you, Golan Engine. We are running ISR's motor mounts, headers, Y pipe, full exhaust. Now it's time to warm it up for the first time, make sure everything's good to go. We're headed to a secret mission next, so stay tuned for the next episode. Talk to you guys soon.